Reading is fun. Why did the farmer tell Gupu to see the world? Why did Gupu, Dupu and Furry want to go to Mumbai? Why did the people in the house run away? Let's talk. If you were to join the animal band, which animal would you want to be? Create the sound of that animal. Get together with your friends. As a group, create the sound of the animal each one of you wants to be. The donkey saw a ball of fire, and it was a cat. If you were to see a big ball of fire, what could that be? Let's sort out these words. Pick the words from the bags and put them on the right shelf. One has been done for you. Say the words aloud. Leg, nest, dice, pick, tree, fish, smile, seed. Bell, line, lip, hill, deep, meal, street, kite, well. Short E words, leg. Short I words, pick. Long E words, deep. Long I words, smile. Oh. Denne kazan yimutindira chiwartanada. Reading is fun. Lawyer the warrior is. Why did the farmer tell Gupu to see the world? Kachine ni di shimbadiye Gupula zamni tonga gyulan zamni taga gyula bares. Kajinlalana Gupu gengoche ko misaganza ani saji childe dira diking ra. Ta khane gozerele the farmer tell yana told ra did the tudeba tongora ani tsigdi chazi the dudeba sota. The farmer told Gupu to see the world because any hare Gupu is old. On the because Gupu is old. Yako gengo res. The gengo in Zambalani Koran's Pijimiache and Chilotansha. That in the summer macheche. Gengo rechini. Gengo is not Tansharilla. Take it. Nanga the Marangans lenti down the giant. Why led someone lenchega the next land? The farmer tell Gupu to see the world. The farmer told Gupu to see the world because Gupu was old. Why did Gupu, Dupu and Furry want to go to Mumbai? Kachine Gupu da Dupu da Furry kunzo mobile donatores. Gupu, Dupu and Furry wanted to go to Mumbai because they want to learn. They want to become musicians. Musician because they want to become because they wanted to become musicians. Why did the people in the house run away? The compound meetings occasion tutors. The people in the house ran away. Ran away because they thought ghosts came to scare them. They thought that ghosts came to scare them. Then let's talk. If you were to join the animal band, kisi kirani simjede kalata tunro dindigi sokbala orash. She sokbala nare dindi sokbash nala zushu chiwaina. Which animal would you want to be? Ani simje kagi kiran chanye tutus. Create the sound of that animal. Ani simje digi tunro digi ke soshu was ke gyashu that. Create landa tanda soba gyaba. Tanda dla gyaba kokura. Jidang soba la kokura. Get together with your friends. Cannot what nyamdo chishos. Nyamdo chiche kachore. As a group, create the sound of the animal each one of you wants to be. Ani kachore kaza as a group then nyamdur chinra soba chik chini samagi kachore simje rere susu simje kare dame direre ki ket kyashos. The donkey saw a ball afar and it was a cat. Rongi ngela ani put khasada a ball of fire la zamala put dokto se ki ball ruj thondu zambala andi karre shimire doas. If you were to see a big ball of fire, what could that be? Kisi khana ge ani pugi ball de boli chimbushi thongwai na di khari yung chogore di khari yung chogore la khari sigre khari yung chogore la ra ni shimilande ri kilane ri kharlane ri ra then let's sort out these words. Sort out lana ta yenji chiba ra ji yewa chiwa ta ji yewa ko kare da duyu mina shisha che la sort out le ra chi dinzo ani ngan yewa chiwas. Pick the words from the backs and put them on the right shelf. Kare chi dinzo ani the bag lana tebe ni na la yobe tebe dinzo na yobe gi chi dinzo ani sulenche kharna chugore put them on the right shelf. Shelf khagi na rembarsha dina chukchuas. Shelf lana dinde tepsha sarishta. Dinde na la chukchuas. One has been done for you. Chikyarang la chesares, susares. Say the words aloud. And say dinzo kichambushin la shuas. Ra leg ani kambache ra nest lana chezangche rice lana shoche shoge jang strupshichliya pig lana papache tree lana shindong fish lana nya smiling gimusho seed lana sun bell lana chibuche line lana thick lip lana chupto heel lana rechunjun deep lana tingrimbo meal lana khala khanrojita khala chidang khala la meal la chukla street lana de khazar lamga ro ko chukta tak peji chongbada de ke na khamba para langa ligida de la street le ba ne kite lana shocha che well lana ji de minsi la samda na thumra de sa chut thumbala khora thumbala 지금 wel라디 가서 되고이 라든지 약부터 된다 wel라 봐. 다디나라 마주게다 가주에 short e sound 라. 이 다충원데 먼저 vowel 된줄라 다충원데 첼은 리원라 니와 short라나 eg달리 long vowel long 다 리원데라 e 기달리라 다단다 leg라나 eg달레서 치상 코 short vowel 자 leg 심바하다 nest shimba the bell konsama short e vowel chate ra short I ye words kare pick and khada hill lip then sama khacha so short I ye just chi chate ra long e di khare e gidale na deep e gidale sa then shin tree then shin seed then shin gi street deep samai bachera athangi dechi lada well la the short e na chuta well dene long I na lo smile chik tisa do dena she dies line ani kharta kite khonsama chura nenga kare ha gore ni kazi yang na zola da ma da yo